How to protect your teeth. Some people do not take care of their teeth, so they always suffer a lot from dental disease. Then, in our daily life, how can we keep our teeth healthy? First, teeth cleaning. Brush your teeth twice a day and in the right way. It helps remove food residue and bacteria from your teeth. Second, use dental floss. Flossing benefits teeth because it cleans out the gaps between teeth and prevent tooth decay. Third, visit the dentist regularly. A regular dental visit is important because you will have a professional oral health examination or teeth cleaning. Fourth, mouthwash. Use mouthwash is a good way to reduce this bacterial plaque. At the same time, you can keep your breath fresh. In conclusion, teeth health not only affects digestion and absorption. It is also a factor that influences physical health, so we should take good care of our teeth. mangoanimate.com